Donna today. I got something different this time. I went to, I don't know if you have a Jack in the Box, nearby, close by where you live, but today we are having Jack in the Box. And I'm hungry. Oh, when I say I'm hungry, I am hungry. Ooh. I'm gonna let y'all see I got the fish sandwich this time. So I'm gonna let y'all see it. Woo. It's the double fish sandwich. Hold on one second. I'm gonna take this out the bag before I let y'all see it. How y'all guys doing today? Today I am doing good. Been kind of resting because today was my day off. You know what I'm going to do with this bag? I'm just going to tear it open. Got my drink. I ain't going to drink all that. I'm so used to drinking water. Woo! I miss you all. Woo, and I am so ready to eat. Let me put me some ketchup on here. Hold on. I need to do my thumbnail. That's what I need to do. Man, I'm hungry, y'all. I am hungry. When I say I'm hungry, I mean I'm hungry. Like, for real. And so many places that I wanted to eat something else totally different, but because of this coronavirus, a lot of stuff is closing early. And the places that are staying open is the ones that are far from where I stay. It's like you got to go to the hood area, honey, to get you some food, because they still open. I called the restaurant over there in the hood area, honey. They said they close at 11. And I'm sitting here like, what in the heck? But that's far. It's like a 30-minute drive. Oh, let me do my thumbnail right quick. And I got to say my grace. Let me pick up the sandwich. Something gonna work. I've been looking at some of them YouTubers when they be doing their thumbnail. Some of them be making me laugh how they be doing it, because they'll keep doing little stuff, make little faces and stuff like that. Oh Lord, they must put a lot of sauce on here. Oh, my face itching. What do that mean? The other day my nose was itching, now my face itching. What do that mean, honey? I'm finna scratch my face. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Whew, I don't know why my face itching right now. Whew, okay, but let me eat. I'm hungry. Father God, in my name of Jesus Christ, God, bless this food as I eat. Father, in Jesus' name, Lord, cleanse every germ and bacteria that's in this food, God. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Look at this, y'all. Yeah, baby. Extra sauce. Thing about extra sauce, boy. You gotta keep wiping your mouth. My food don't got a little cold. Make sure the bag ain't in the way. I'm gonna have to suck up some of that juice because I don't want it to waste on me. Got some high C grape. It's good too. I'm gonna keep my eye over there on that laptop because when I don't, it'll go out. And then y'all can't hear me. I just be talking. And I have to edit it out. The part that didn't say nothing. I was thinking about doing some ASMR video with no talking. I always pick my food. Y'all get used to that. Don't talk about me now. I do that. It just went out again. I caught it. That fish sounds good. Tomorrow, I may have my daughter on here. I'm gonna have her as one of my guests. Hadn't decided what we want to eat yet. Probably eat that 2-time spicy noodle. Thinking about that. But the way we're gonna do it, I want to fry it. We're gonna fry it, like make Indomie like they do. It's a certain way they cook their noodles in Africa. They fry their noodles. They call it Indomie. They fry it, they put peppers and all that stuff in it. But the only thing about that is the 2-time spicy noodles are already hot, so I don't know if we're gonna add a pepper. That'll be too much heat. Cause that sauce hot, so I just imagine. Okay. See it? Good. The fries are cold. That's okay. It's still eatable. If y'all hear in the background, the TV, and my daughter talking, just forgive me. My daughter just got off work, and my son home from school. And I'll be glad when they go back to school already. This coronavirus needs to go. In Jesus' name. I can imagine the parents that got all them little kids. Especially one that's in daycare. Man. I'm glad I'm past that stage. Well, I tell you. This french fry kind of remind me of McDonald's french fry. I don't really care for McDonald's no more. I used to. I used to love McDonald's. I don't care for them no more. This fries got cold. Don't talk about me, y'all. I always pick on my food. The funny part about that, let me tell y'all. I found out I get that from my grandma on my dad's side. I remember I was spending out of her house, and one day I just paid attention to her. She was picking her you know that black stuff to be in your grits. She was picking the black stuff out of the grits and pouring in, you know, taking it out, throwing it in the sink. And I do that. So she be picking over her stuff too. And I was looking at her, I was like, that's who I get that from. Because I had no idea she did that. And I was like, wow. Sometimes, you do things like your father, your mama, or your grandparents, and don't be around them, but you still have ways like them. You like, what the world? They're like my son. He don't be around his father that much, but he got ways just like him. Just like they be around each other.
Incorrect.
He would be on camera, but He was eating while we was in the car.
Yeah, because I was too hungry.
He was hungry.
But I was too. Next video.
I was too, but I was determined to do a video today. Because tonight.
You should do the gummy bear challenge. The 30-pound gummy bear or something like that.
I'm not doing that.
The 5-pound gummy bear.
I'm not doing that. He likes sweets.
It's like this big.
I'm not finna do that. I ain't finna eat no gummy bear. Oh! I found the question. The question that some of my Instagram fans was asking me. I finally found it in my phone. Hold on. It was a lot too. I couldn't find it the other day. I forgot to check the text message that my daughter screenshot and sent it to my text. She texted to me. And I was used to her sending me stuff like through the messenger on Facebook. But this time she texted and I didn't know that. I forgot. So I thought maybe I deleted it. I'm getting full now, y'all. Good. Out of bread. Okay. Finally. Woo! Cool. Hopefully I got the food off my face. So I noticed when I edit some videos, I be having food on my face and don't even know it. Hold on. Okay.
You look perfectly fine.
Boy, get out here. Alright. What question I left off on? Let me see. Some people asking some crazy questions. Some of these questions, I can't even believe people ask. I'm coming, y'all. I'm trying to see what question I left off on. Okay. I finally found it, y'all. Alright. Now, first question. The last thing that made you cry. Nothing but when I was touched by the spirit when I was in service. That's it. But I don't know nothing that. Let me see. I don't know nothing that made me cry. You know, all the time I cry like from a church service or whatever. Ain't nobody hurt me or whatever that made me cry like that. I can't even remember. I'm going to the next because I can't remember that one. Okay. quality you look for in a partner. Why people want? People want to be personal, don't they? My goodness. Well, what I look for in a partner is they got to be God fearing. Their heart got to be after God. So that's the main thing I look for in a partner. All right, let me see next. Have you ever been on TV?
Yep.
Have I been on TV?
Yeah.
Before? I can't remember.
On the Today Show.
Oh, yep, I was on TV. Yep, I went on a field trip with my son to New York, and we was on Today's Show. His school was, so, and we was in the front.
Yep.
You know. Oh, we was on the TV and everything, so yeah, I was on TV before. Can you juggle? No. That's weird. Okay. What was your last dream about?
What?
You asking some crazy question. What was my last dream about? Most time it'd be like prosthetic dreams, so I don't want to get into that. Okay. What? I don't know if I should even say this question. I'm gonna say this one. Who would the love of your life be if you were heterosexual? I'm not gonna say the other one. Let's see. No, nobody. Yeah, they asked who would the love of your life be if you were homosexual or either heterosexual?
This a God-fearing person.
Yeah.
Simple. That was your first answer. Like that should be
Well,
basically the same.
you gotta think this is 200 some questions people ask me on here.
Y'all don't be asking questions like that. We don't want no controversy on this channel.
Exactly.
We just want it
Positivity.
Positivity.
Can you tap dance? No. Okay. What would your superhero name be? What you think? So many questions I don't even know how to answer it. What? Jesus.
That's kind of
No, that's the only thing I can think of. I don't know no superhero.
Joanna.
No. What is it? Okay, what would your superhero name be? I'm trying to think of the.
Elastigirl?
I'm trying to figure out the question. Like, what is saying? If I was a superhero?
Yes, if you was a superhero, what would your name?
Oh, I'm sorry, not Jesus. No, not. I said Jesus first. I just squash that answer.
You gotta hear that.
Okay. All right. Now, let me see.
Jesus will be your role model.
Juana girl.
Y'all should
Yeah.
have coronavirus.
The devil is lying. I ain't got no coronavirus. Well, let me stop coughing, man, for people be thinking that. Okay, let me see. Now, let me see. I know that. It said, if you were a president of the world, what law would you approve? Why are they... Okay, I'm going to skip that question. So many questions, I'm just going to skip.
Well, like, what doesn't make sense?
What is your favorite animal? Dog.
Good. I mean, dogs are cute. But like,
I want a parrot,
out of the
though.
whole
I want
world?
a talking parrot. I I want a parrot that talks. I always wanted one. I'm gonna get one.
I want a tiger.
This boy told me want me to buy a pet tiger. You crazy?
No,
I would not. A bobcat. One of them. You asked me. I would never buy that.
Cute.
Well, when you get your own place, you buy that.
I want a cub though.
You'll get that. Child, and I would not visit.
I'm gonna buy one in this house.
No, I don't think so.
As soon as we start making that.
Next question. Are you good at any skill? Yeah. I'm good at sales. That's what I do. I sell, I do business loans. I do all types of sales. So I'm good at that. Okay, what talents do you have? Sing.
She know how to talk.
Let me share for somebody ask you to sing. I'm like, no.
Sing.
I don't think so. But my talent is singing. It used to be dancing too, but can't do that no more. I hurt my knee one time for that one.
We don't talk about that one.
Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that. Okay, what's your favorite public transport? If I had to if I had to use the transportation in the public, let me see. What is my favorite? Airplane. Let me see. It's my regular. Probably a cab, because I like to get there quick. I say a cab. Lyft. That's my favorite, because that's what I take mostly. When I don't feel like driving my car, certain places I take Lyft. Okay. What is your shoe size? 10. So didn't they ask me that before? No, I don't know. What is your height?
4'1".
No, it's 5. I say 5'3", but it's really 5'2" and 3/4. That's my height. All right. Now, where are you from? I'm from Georgia.
It was lit.
No, it wasn't.
Oh yes, it was.
Mm-mm.
Just because. Never mind.
Okay, but anyway, do you have pets? No, I used to. I used to have dogs. I don't have dogs. I just gave one away. I had to, because I'd be too busy.
Taco.
It was too much work. It's just like having another child. I have to get a daycare, doggy daycare, and everything. Yeah. I'm back. The camera went out. But like I was saying, I have to get a doggy daycare and everything, So it's just like having another child. So, I ain't got them no more. My son he was upset, but...
Wait, tomorrow Elijah or Taco?
Both. When I got rid of Elijah, when I got rid of Elijah, he was very sad about that one.
But Taco,
Taco,
I kind of accepted it, but I was like, But then I was like, he was a handful.
Yeah, Taco was a handful. He was a Chihuahua. He was a handful for real. Taco was a Chihuahua, and that dog, he was aggressive. When I say aggressive, we couldn't take him nowhere. Nobody could knock on my door or nothing. We couldn't have no company over here or nothing, because he would literally bark so much. He would not start barking the whole time that company over here. He would not stop barking, and his hair will stand up like a mohawk all from his tail to his head. I should have took a picture of that. Excuse me.
Mama, you don't know that dog, but you.
No, I should have took a picture of that, because he would literally get so. If someone come in here right now, he would just start barking. He would go crazy, and his hair would stand up. I mean, all of his hair, like it would be like a mohawk form on his body, for real. We took him to the PetSmart, different places to get him to take a bath. Take him, try to walk him around so he can get used to people and pets. Oh no. And what used to make me mad is when we did go to PetSmart, that lady, we used to tell her, stay back. You know how people love dogs and stuff and they want to pet the dog, and we be telling him no because he be barking like uncontrollably barking. And the people be still trying to pet him, and I be telling him get back because I don't want him suing me if he bite him. But they still be trying. It's like they just can't get over a dog not wanting to be bothered with them. You know what I'm saying? People just love pets to the point. If a dog acts aggressive, they still try to pet him. You're not finna sue me. And I be sitting there trying to be nice, but then I have to get my voice changed. I be like, okay, just get back, please. Because I don't want that dog to bite him. My goodness. But anyway, back to the question. Okay, what's your lucky number? 7. Okay. What is your favorite color? Red is my favorite color. Okay. Do you eat meat? Yes, I eat meat. Yeah. I'm about to turn into a vegan though.
She off and on.
What's your full name and age? I'm not telling you all that now. Oh no. What the world?
92 in my name.
What's your favorite TV show?
Empire.
That's his.
Empire is my jam.
He like Empire. I used to like what's that other TV show they had? They used to be real popular. I don't watch it now, but I used to be addicted to that one. When the lady was dating it was a president. And that he was dating that the black lady.
Oh yeah, Head of State. That's a movie.
Head of State. It's a show.
Oh.
Everybody know what I'm talking about. Who played that movie? It ain't. I ain't watched it in a while. I forgot that lady name, but anyway, that was my favorite show, TV show. I used to love to watch that. Okay. Favorite non-alcoholic drink? Water. That's all I drink. I got all this juice right here and don't even want. You know that's all I drink is water.
You ain't gonna drink that?
I'm gonna drink it, but
give me here.
What? Get out of here.
Reach over the camera.
Okay. Let me see. Favorite alcoholic drink? I don't drink. What film do you love the most? Mystery. Anything dealing with mystery. I like mystery movies.
Like what mystery movie? That's what they talk
Clue. About. I love that now. That's an old movie, but I still love it. I love that. Oh no, my favorite TV show. No, this is my favorite. Murder, She Wrote. Is it that show that lady Jessica Fletcher? And she used to always solve the crimes. Oh, now I love that. That and Matlock. They old, but I love them shows right there. I used to love to try to figure out who's the killer. You know what I'm saying?
When they was having supernatural stuff, you gotta figure out which one's real, which one's fake.
Oh, and then fiction. What is it? What was it? Fiction or non-fiction?
Yeah.
Believe it or not. Something like that. Fiction or fiction. Believe it or not. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That's old stuff, but it was good.
Well, y'all old folks know what I'm talking about.
That was kind of, it's the same thing. It's in the same category as mystery. It's in the same category as mystery. What is it? Ripley, Believe It or Not, Fact or Fiction. Something like that. Y'all remember that show when, things used to, you have to guess if certain stories was real, true, or false. So you have to figure out, is it fact or fiction? Like they might tell a story about, someone was in the garden, a lady or somebody who just buying a house, and a lady came in the garden and was talking to him about, some of the flower beds or whatever. And next thing you know, the lady disappeared. And then come to find out, someone come by there and say that this is a picture of the lady that used to stay there. And they be like, oh, I seen that lady in the garden. They be like, well, she been dead, such and such or whatever. And then you have to figure out, was that a true story or not, fact or fiction. I used to love that. I used to love stuff like that. Because I like anything that's going to have me to think, like, to solve a problem. You know what I'm saying? My mom, I used to always want to be a lawyer. My mom said I should have been a lawyer, because I started to be one, but I ain't go to school for that.
Being a lawyer is kind of,
because it's kind of, when you start finding out how long you have to be in school for that stuff, now they just wrong for that. That discourages kids, because I was like 11 to 12 years. That's what? Okay. Yeah, to be a lawyer. Well, when I was younger, I remember when I was finished school, I looked into that, and I heard it was like about 11 to 10 years, 11 to 12 years, something like that, to be a lawyer. I know to be a doctor, you got to be in school for a long time.
Because if you're a lawyer,
I don't care. I ain't care about that. But I just
mad at you if you don't.
I don't care about that. I just like, I don't care. That's what I want to be. That, or either a judge or a detective, something that's gonna solve stuff.
You'll be a better judge because you like to yell.
No, I don't. Don't believe him, y'all.
She does.
I got a sweet, quiet voice.
Don't let this niceness fool you.
Anyway. Okay, what's the next question? Let me see. Okay, favorite topping on pizza. Italian sausage. I like the long one, not the little balls. I like the long Italian sausage pizza. New York. I was raised in Yonkers, New York, and that's what I used to always get when my mama go to the pizza shop. We get us a slice of pizza. I get me a sausage pizza. She get her pepperoni.
And what Mom always said in Yonkers, when she used to live in New York, she used to be like, if you got a problem with my pizza, pull up.
Stop lying. Robert, get out of here. You finna start lying now. Okay. What sports do you like the most? Golf, volleyball, and golf. I like playing volleyball. Yeah. That's my favorite sport.
That's what's up.
What food do you love the most? Any kind of pasta, Italian dishes.
Seafood?
That's not what I love the most.
That's what you look at the most.
Shut up. Yeah, on YouTube. Excuse me. He talking about when I be watching Beloved and all the rest of them that be excuse me. When I be watching Beloved and all that, I like to watch people eat seafood. We tried to get us a seafood ball today.
That didn't work out.
We sure did. They closed early. And one of the restaurants wasn't even open. Okay, let me see. It's already.
I was doing that.
What is your favorite holiday?
Halloween.
Uh-uh.
Well, that's mine. Cause I just like the scariness of it.
What's my favorite holiday?
Valentine's, Christmas.
Probably Christmas. Christmas. Let me see. I'm scrolling through some of this stuff, y'all, because I ain't gonna even say that. I read some of these questions.
Oh wow.
Why should people follow my channel? Okay, good one. Well, because it's gonna be very entertaining, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff besides eating on here.
The best entertainment you'll see in 2020.
You'll get to know me, and then once you get to know me, you'll see that I'm silly. I'm like a comedian once you get to know me. I like to make people laugh. I like to joke a lot. And I like to do things. Mainly, I'll be traveling soon. So, you'll be able to see me travel and do other things because I do that anyway. I love to travel a lot. That's the reason why I created this channel. Because I do a lot of stuff anyway. I like to go on trips. I go on vacation, travel. It's a lot of things I do. So why not, do that on camera? Because I do it anyway. I be doing videos all the time on my Facebook page, every time I go places, go to a special event or whatever, I'm always recording something. So that's why I said this right here ain't nothing. This is something I was already doing before I started YouTube. So, and I was doing YouTube too, but I was doing it for ministry reasons, cause I used to be married to a pastor, so we was always on YouTube, and on live streaming, doing something. So, but anyway, so that's why I went ahead and just started a channel, because I was always on camera anyway. Are you used to speak to? Are you used to speak to a camera? What in the world? I think what they trying to say is used to speaking on camera. That's what they meant to say. Yeah, I am. I'm used to being on I used to speaking on camera. Okay, is this the first video you ever recorded? Nope. I recorded plenty of videos. Are you starting a channel for money? Yeah. That's why all of them starting a channel, but I'm doing this too because this is a hobby. This is something I do anyway. So why not get paid doing it? This is something I always do. I didn't even know you could get paid doing it. I'm like, what? I might as well go and get a YouTube channel because I'm always recording something. I'm always, on camera. So
she an entrepreneur, y'all.
Yeah, I'm an entrepreneur. I got businesses, and so therefore, I be on camera advertising my businesses as well. So I'm used to being on camera. So, but this is something new to me when it comes to eating. I'm not used to eating on camera. Well, yes, I am. Because when I be going to restaurants and stuff, I be doing recordings and stuff like that. When I go to a nice restaurant, I do recordings there. I be on Facebook Live and all. Yeah, so yeah, I done that too.
Should be with her people. Lit.
Okay, now, do you hope to get famous one day? I will be famous one day. Of course. I'm already a little famous. People know me.
If Tyler Perry knows her, then
shut up, Robert. He's talking about I was supposed to did an audition for Tyler Perry one time in the movie. I used to go to acting school when he was a baby.
Not acting past to me, but
yeah, I went to acting school and everything for Parmesan, and therefore I met some people, a lot of people that wanted, because I was a good actor in the school, and I was doing modeling too, plus size modeling. And at that time, I had a perm and my hair was real long. I wish I got some pictures. I wish I could have kept, took more pictures, but. Yeah, but I used to be a plus size model, and I used to be in fashion shows. I used to do, fashion show for different businesses or whatever. When they do the run, the little fashion show. Even though I was short, but when you go into stores and stuff, you could still, do fashion shows even though you're short. There, I wasn't a runway model. You have to be taller to be that, but. But but other than that, one lady, she said that, Tyler Perry, she was gonna hook me up with him to do an audition for his movie. At that time, it was Why Did I Get Married? It was Why Did I Get Married? I think that's the movie they was auditioning for. But I suppose they had emailed me, Tyler Perry, I think it's Tyler Perry Production, they emailed me. And I suppose I never forget it. It was on my son's birthday. It was it had audition August the 8th, 2000. I think it was 4. Yeah, because he was 1. But I had to end up having surgery the same day. And it was his birthday. So I'm like, what in the world? But I had a breast reduction. I had to have surgery because I was having back problems out this world, and it took them a while to approve it. So I just went ahead and just had the surgery, and I was like, ugh. But I more likely I would have been in the movie because they was like, you a good actor. We gonna hook you up with Tyler Perry because I am a good actor for real, for real. The people at school loved me. I was a good actor, and I used to make people laugh. So they were trying to hook me up then, but couldn't do it. My son mad about that. But
why did I get married? You know, you could have been one of the girls.
I know I would have been somebody.
Been
I don't know. I would have been somebody.
You could have been.
It would have been funny too. It would have been, that movie would have been more funnier. Cause trust me, that's why they were trying to get me in it. But
then they get all the scenes, like you have to get kind of physical.
At the time, I wasn't. I was like out there. Then girl, get out of here. Okay.
Shoot, so quick.
It says, what is your channel going to be about? Basically, mukbangs. I'm gonna try to do some ASMR. I'm gonna try to do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to do that. And then it's gonna be about I'm gonna be like, different family activities, nose itching. But different family activities and traveling and all that stuff. I'm gonna be doing a lot.
That's what's up.
Challenges.
Mm-mm.
My son like pranks. He'll be doing pranks on his channel, not my channel. No, you ain't doing no prank on my channel.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now next question. Why are you recording this video?
Corona.
The devil is lying. I ain't got no corona now. I have sinus issue. Before this corona even came out, I was already, I was just getting over a sinus infection. My throat was hurting and all that. Got rid of that. But after the after effect be coughing. So that's what I'm going through. I don't do it that much now. It's going away now. I need to drink some ginger tea, then I'm good. Okay, do you have any studies? No, I don't finish school. I'm done. I took a business.
She has a professional's degree. A PhD, I think.
Shut up. You got no PhD. That is all the question. What in the world?
Wait. What's wrong?
Lord. That's it. No more questions. But anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Ask me some decent questions. Some questions that you would ask your mama or somebody. Not something that you would ask, okay, because come on now, be real. Ask me some good questions so you can get to know me. Let me know what you want me to eat, what you would like to see me eat, like whatever challenges you would like for me to do. Now, some challenges I'm not doing. Now, I'm doing some spicy challenges, some hot, to eat some hot stuff. But some of them I'm not doing because I seen what happened to the other YouTubers. Some of them calling the ambulance and all that stuff. Like what is that? The Satan toenail, the Satan toe, the sucker. You supposed to hold in your mouth for some minutes. And it's so hot. I'm not doing that one because they had to call the ambulance on one of them. Then the hottest chip, I'm not doing that one because I seen how some people be acting. I'm like, heck no. And what one of the I'm not gonna say no name. One of the YouTubers, he had his heart and stuff was hurting him after the hottest chip. I said, what kind of challenges is these? Y'all trying to kill us? What? I want to do YouTube, but I ain't trying to die. I ain't trying to die now. I'm not trying to die. But anyway, give me something that ain't gonna kill me. Give me a challenge that ain't gonna kill me.
You have a challenge saying that.
What?
Can you touch about 100 people in the hospital?
I'm not doing that either.
You have to touch 100 people.
We got corona going on. I'm not touching nobody.
They said touch 100 people in the hospital and see, do you have corona after?
The devil is a lie.
You have to go in the
I'm not doing that challenge either. What kind of... Y'all be trying to get some killer challenges. What y'all trying to kill people on YouTube? And then go viral?
Well,
Sure, they get you kill somebody on YouTube and go viral. I won't be reaping no benefits. I'll be gone. The devil is around.
I mean,
But anyway,
I'll take the money.
I don't think so,
I'll stick with the
honey.
change.
But anyway, I'm finna go on here. I'll keep doing these long videos. I'm trying to make them short, but I can't. It's hard. It's hard. I like to talk. Oh, man. But anyway, I just want to let y'all know I enjoyed talking to you all today. I miss you all, and I'm going to try to do another video for tomorrow. But I'm going to keep these videos coming, y'all. I'm going to keep them coming. I'm going to keep them coming. I'm going to try my best to keep them coming because I eat every day. Everybody got to eat every day. So even if I don't go out to eat, if I have regular food, I'll try to eat it on camera. You know what I'm saying? If I can. I ain't going to say all of them because some of them might be something quick if I don't feel like eating.
And I might be on next video. Trust me, I'm going to do a prank on her.
Don't play.
I am.
But anyway,
Watch.
I will be posting a video tomorrow as well. So just keep posted on my channel. Like I said, comment, like, and share. Give me some ideas of what you want me to do, what you want me to eat, or whatever, what you want to talk about. If you got any questions, you know, whatever topic you want me to talk about, feel free to let me know. I will be glad to talk to you all. You know, because I want to keep it, you know, interesting. You know what I'm saying? I want to keep it going because, you know, we get ideas, but it's best for y'all to help us because sometimes we run out of ideas. So I want to keep this show entertaining and exciting. I want y'all to be able to want to come on here every time, you know, I post something. So, but anyway, y'all, like I said on my other videos, you continue to stay positive, hang around positive people. Do not be negative. You know, don't be negative. Don't be around negativity. People that are negative, stay away from them. Always stay positive no matter what. But anyway, I love you all. God bless. And goodbye.